Bonjour à tous, welcome back. Je m'appelle Herman, my name is Herman. This will be another French grammar lesson brought to you by Professor FrenchTastic. Alright, so today's lesson is going to be about contracted articles, and this will be lesson number 2 on the topic of contracted articles, les articles contractés. In the previous lesson, we've learned how we could form contracted articles using the preposition de. Remember this one, de, followed by a definite article, article défini. Today, we're going to learn how to form contracted articles using the preposition a. And they mean different things, just so you know. So let's read the following sentences. Je vais à la Tour Eiffel. Again, je vais à la Tour Eiffel. I'm going to the Eiffel Tower. Next, je suis au parc Merlion. Je suis au parc Merlion. I am at the Merlion Park. Number 3, le président est à l'Élysée. The French president, that is. Le président est à l'Élysée. The president is at the Élysée Palace. Finally, number 4, nous allons aux Galeries Lafayette. Nous allons aux Galeries Lafayette. We're going to the galleries, to the Galerie Lafayette. I'll keep it in French. We're going to the Galerie Lafayette. Nous allons aux Galeries Lafayette. So in each one of these sentences, we have a contracted article. Here, à la, au, al, or a l'apostrophe, and au. With the X, it means this is the plural form of the one above, because galerie is here in the plural form, as you can see, les Galeries Lafayette. So, what can we say, what can we get from each one of these sentences? Well, let's read the first one. Je vais à la Tour Eiffel. Je vais, I'm going to. Well, we have the idea of destination, to go to some place here, right? And again, the key word here, place, la Tour Eiffel. So, destination and place. The next one, je suis au parc Merlion. Je suis au parc Merlion, again, a place. So, being at a location. A location. So, location, 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 location. So, we can deduce from these observations that using the contracted articles about, here will imply some kind of location, right? So to go to the Eiffel Tower, to be at the Merlion Park, to the president being at the Élysée Palace, etc. So we're dealing with destination or being at a location. So here, in French, when using common or proper nouns of public places, for example, the post office or the bank, etc., or the Eiffel Tower, usually these nouns will be preceded by a definite article. It could be le, or la, or les. Okay, masculine, feminine, or plural. Le, la, or les, or l'apostrophe if the noun begins with a vowel, like here, or a silent H. For example, hôtel, the word hôtel, à l'hôtel, at the hotel. So that's what you should keep in mind. Nouns representing places will be preceded, generally, will be preceded by a definite article, le, la, or les. Now, when you want to express the idea of destination, like you go to a place, you go to, remember, here underlined, I have underlined to, or when you want to say that you are at a place or in a place, you will usually have the preposition a followed by a definite article. For example, if I want to say that I am at the post office, okay, la poste, or le bureau de poste, I could say je suis à la poste. Je suis, I am, à, which means here at, je suis, I am at the post office, la poste. So, je suis à la poste, je suis à la poste. So, the à la that you see here is the contracted article. Je suis à la poste. If I want to say that I am at the Merlion Park, le parc Merlion, I use here the English translation, but le parc Merlion, I will say that je suis, I am, Je suis au parc Merlion. Je suis au parc Merlion. I am at the. So O here is the combination, the contraction of A plus le. So because it's le parc Merlion, which is masculine, so having A before and le contracted will give me O. Je suis au parc Merlion. So let's look at the transformations here. So when the noun representing the place is feminine, you will have la as a definite article. A plus la becomes à la for feminine nouns. So à la poste. A plus le becomes au, like au parc, at the park. A plus les, whenever the noun is plural, will become au with an X at the end. Aux Galeries Lafayette. Je suis aux Galeries Lafayette. I am at the Galeries Lafayette. Now, A plus L apostrophe, whenever the noun, the place noun that follows begins with a vowel or silent H, you will have an L apostrophe, which will give us al. For example, à l'Élysée or à l'hôtel, at the hotel. À l'hôtel. This is a silent H, so à l'hôtel. So these are the rules of transformations when you are dealing with contracted articles using a. And remember, in the previous lesson, we did the same with de. De plus le becomes du, de plus la, de la, de plus les, des, de plus L apostrophe, del. Oh, no, not del. I guess I like the brand del. De, okay, you understand what I mean. De plus L apostrophe. De l'école. Je reviens de l'école. I'm coming from school. Or, de, followed by this one. De l'école. Les enfants de l'école. The children of the school. De l'école. De. So, that's the transformation for contracted articles, a plus definite articles. Okay. Now, here are some examples. Le supermarché. How would you say, I'm going to the supermarket? Je vais au supermarché. Le Mont Saint-Michel. Je suis au Mont Saint-Michel. I am at the. So, O is a combination of at the, à le. Je suis au Mont Saint-Michel. La Bastille. Je suis à la Bastille. L'Arc de Triomphe. Je suis à l'Arc de Triomphe. Arc starting with a vowel, we then have L apostrophe instead. Although arc is masculine, un arc, but we don't say je vais à le arc. You say je vais à l'Arc de Triomphe. I'm going to the Arc de Triomphe. Les catacombes. Les catacombes, c'est plural form, so it's a plus les, which gives us, remember, o. So, je vais aux catacombes. I'm going to the catacomb. Okay? So, that's a few examples where you can see the contracted articles using the preposition a to indicate the idea of destination, to be or to go to a place or to be at a location or in a location. All right? So we have here a quiz to end our lesson. So please look up the French translation of the following words, right? Station, I'm giving you the first example here. So the station, la gare for the station. So write down, je suis à la gare. So I am at this location. Once you find out what the translation of this word is in French, write out, I am at this location. So je suis à la gare. I am at the station. How would you say swimming pool in French? How would you say the opera? How would you say the Moulin Rouge? How would you say the university? How would you say the Caribbeans? And I'm giving you a hint. This will be plural here. As you can see, there's an S. So find these words in French and express the idea that you are at these locations using the contracted articles a plus definite articles. And don't forget the accent on the a. Okay, very important. There's an accent grave sur le a. So I hope you found it useful. Merci et à très bientôt. Bye bye.